Hey, what's going on everybody? This is Nasim and you are welcome to my brand new video. So in this video you are going to learn how you can connect Google Tag Manager to your Funnelish funnel. So it's actually Funnelish, which is now very popular for creating high converting e-commerce sales funnel, and you can do your e-commerce through this funnel, and this is amazing guys. You can increase your ROI, you can downsell, upsell, everything you can control with this tool. I hope you already have these tools, so that's why you are here. So now let's connect Google Tag Manager with this tool. So built in these tools has a feature to connect your tracking platform, but always I do prefer and recommend you to use Google Tag Manager, and then you can connect all the tracking platform through Google Tag Manager. So this is actually very interesting part, because through Google Tag Manager you can send accurate and you can optimize your tracking platform. So that's why always I do recommend to you to use Google Tag Manager. So no more talks, let's back in these tools and see how you can connect Google Tag Manager. So this is the dashboard when you log in your Funnelish account, and if you don't have any data, that means your funnel is new. So this is not a new funnel, and here you can see the previous data we are seeing here, and then you need to see that I am on the dashboard section here, and you need to go on the funnel. So when you click the funnel, you will see all the previous funnel, that if your website like your previous all the funnel list you will see here. Just you need to select on funnel, like which funnel you want to connect with Google Tag Manager. Okay, just select the funnel and then you need to go on there. So this is the left hand side list. Here you can see all the funnel step you can see here. So sales page, checkout and thank you page. And if you scroll or view of the bottom of this website, you will see a little gear icon here. Just hit that button and then you will see on the next page of settings. Okay, so this is the setting page, and you need to scroll down a little bit, and when you scroll down you will get a option which is custom code. So you actually need a custom code from Google Tag Manager, and you need to create a custom code, and you need to paste a code, your GTM code. Okay, so then you need to hit the create button. So when you hit the create button, your website, like your funnel and your Google Tag Manager is connected. And keep in mind that you need to input all the Google Tag Manager code. So for example, if you don't know what is the full code of Google Tag Manager, let me show you. So just visit tagmanager.google.com, and then you will see your Google Tag Manager dashboard. And I have a multiple Google Tag Manager account. For example, let's go with test. So this is most of them are my test, and you can see this is my play zone. And when you hit this button, you will get this code. You just simply copy this code and you need to paste on there and create custom code, and then you will be able to connect all the tracking platform whatever you want. For example, if you see the tag configuration, you can connect Google Ads, you can connect Google Analytics, you can, like, here is the most famous tracking platform or connected with Google Tag Manager, I think, then you can send it. So if you need any help from a expert, you can contact me. I am a tracking specialist. So if you need any help to track your you can contact me. Like for example, you want to send your dynamic Google your dynamic purchase or conversion value, you need to send it to Facebook ads, Google Analytics, whatever you want. You can contact me. I will definitely help you, because I am a Google ads like tracking specialist, and I also work with Upwork. So I am a top rated freelancer on Upwork. So here I will give all the link on this video description, so don't forget to check it out. So that's actually what I wanted to show you, how you can connect Google Tag Manager to your Funnelish funnel, and it's pretty simple, and I hope you can do that. So if you don't know, you can definitely comment or contact with me. I will help you. So that's all for today. See you on the next one, and if you found this video useful, then hit the thumbs up. And if you want to see more useful video, like if you want to learn how to connect Google Analytics or all the tracking platform to your or platform with Google, and you can subscribe to my channel, and I really appreciate that. So thank you very much for your time. Have a good day. Bye.